Have you heard before they saying that cash is a king? Yes. My name is Hassan Jadidi. In last video, I explained to you how many types of assets we have. So one of them is a saving considered as a cash. It's a matter of how fast you can access that savings. Because I explained to you about the saving, the cash, consider money market, CDs, saving, checking, and cash value life insurance. Many people, they don't realize some kind of life insurance policy has accessible cash available. Accessible cash would be help if you need an emergency, if your car is broke down and you need the medical expenses to be paid, or if you need money fast for some opportunity. So if you need help, please watch my video and then comment assets. I'll be in service.